Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm going to introduce to you our Clinsert parts. So these are the Clinserts. It has an internal and an external thread with then the Clins on top of it. When you tap them down, it will be fixed in your panel. What are these parts used for? They're used to make sure you have a fixed thread, a strong thread in a soft metal part. These parts exist in either metric or imperial sizes and are standard available in stainless steel. We also have them available in carbon steel or in stainless steel 316 for heavy saltwater applications, or in Inconel steel to be used in aerospace. It also has a locking version, which makes it completely fixed in your panel. Now it's mostly used to secure a strong thread in a soft metal. However, it can also be used to fix a thread. Imagine that the bolt you want to use has a broken thread of the panel. You can drill out the hole and use a Clinsert to make a new hole. Basically, you drill your hole, you tap your thread, you screw in the Clinsert, and then with the tool you can tap in the Clins and it will be installed. You can always download our catalog on clinserts.com. Thank you.